After your account is created, you may need to modify your information. Begin by returning to the login page and completing the login process. In the upper right corner, select your profile icon to access your account details. Within your profile, you have the option to view the following information: your email address, phone number, gender, secondary email, legal first and last name, race, and date of birth. To edit most of this, simply click the Edit button on the upper right. Please note that name changes cannot be performed through self-service but require a ticket with supporting documents to be submitted. I'll show you how to do that shortly. For the remaining personal information, find what you would like to update, enter your new information, and select Submit to confirm your changes. To request a name change, navigate to the My Ticket section on the top menu bar in your account. Click the Open a New Ticket button. From the drop-down, choose CCI account, then select Name Change. Provide all the necessary details and information requested. You will need to upload the required supporting documentation. Then submit your request. Once your ticket is submitted, you can monitor its progress in the My Ticket section. For each ticket open, all relevant details regarding your request will be visible for your reference. For other modifications, such as updating your address, a ticket may be required. The process is the same: provide the necessary information and supporting documentation, then submit your request.